What's up, guys? So we're back in another video, and today we're gonna be playing Train Ball.
Bro, I have a question.
There we go.
I have a question.
What?
So, why does it say, disable mods? What happens when I press it to enable mods, and I can...
I think it gives me mods. It gives me mods.
Oh. Yeah! Come here.
Yay.
Yay. What do we do?
And why is it short?
Yeah.
Oh, so I want to fight to death.
Come on.
Okay.
Bro, can you don't use any mod menu?
I wasn't even using anything.
Bro, I have a question.
Yeah.
So, do you have like a mod menu that pushes you when someone like punches you?
No, that's part of the game.
Oh, yeah.
Hurry up! I wanna push this little boy off. Bro, I'm gonna win.
Why does this have different names right there when there's no one in here except you and me?
Oh, so you wanna fight to the death? No, how about you? No.
I don't like this. Wait, let's see.
You ready? Look at this, bro. Look at this.
Can you blend these? Wait, come here. Come here. Look at me.
Okay, I'm gonna throw this at. I'm probably gonna win.
No, wait, I have a question. Don't hit. Let's explore this map.
Oh, they do.
Oh my god.
Trust.
Look.
Imagine, wait, no, can I push you for a moment? Like, turn around, turn around. Bro, I'm recording, turn around. Like, come back here and turn around. Like, pretend you don't know.
My train.
No, pretend you don't know, but I'm actually gonna hear you. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Hold on.
Wait, I have a question. Can you like get the tracking off for long arms in this game?
Hold on.
Do you have long arms?
I'm recording.
In there? Does this says long arms in the mod menu for you?
Guys, I have to do one last round and then I have to get off. Wait. It's really short. No? Hang on. Oh, why is there trees? Hang on. Truce. Hit it. I'm still here. Well, guys, who won? Me or him?
No, you don't get money.
But make sure to like and subscribe and
Look, it's me.
bye bye.